Good day, everyone. I'm here to invite you to join us tomorrow morning on our Command Your Day prayer line. Our prayer topic tomorrow is Reign of Restoration. As we all know that we are in the month of restoration, the Lord is set to give us a rain. In the book of Zechariah chapter 10 verse 1b, he said, I will make the cloud bright and I will release rain. The Lord is set to release rain. Behold, people of God, I hear a sound of rain. Join us tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. We are live on Facebook at Strength for All Ministries, one word. Join us and you will be glad you did. I want to encourage you to invite your friends and family. It is going to rain. It is going to rain, and it is a rain that will bring back all that you have lost. God bless you.